Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Screen 3 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your home or professional setup, offering unparalleled performance and a user-friendly experience that belies its advanced capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to upgrade your workflow or a beginner seeking a reliable and efficient solution, the Screen 3 stands out as a top-tier choice, promising to elevate your projects with its innovative features and robust construction. Its intuitive design ensures that you can get started right away, making complex tasks feel simple and achievable. Number 5. iVoler Screen Protector for Nintendo Switch. Introducing the iVoler Screen Protector, designed specifically for your Nintendo Switch. Enjoy a crystal clear, high-definition viewing experience with 99.9% transparency. Its ultra-thin 0.3mm design ensures it's barely noticeable, yet fully compatible with your touchscreen sensitivity. You won't even know it's there. With a surface hardness of 9H, this protector offers ultimate durability and scratch resistance. Keep your screen looking pristine. The oleophobic coating reduces fingerprints, keeping your screen clean and clear for uninterrupted gameplay. Each pack includes everything you need for a simple and perfect installation: 3 screen protectors, wet and dry wipes, and an easy-to-follow guide. Specifically crafted for the Nintendo Switch 2017 and new model HAC001-01. Please note, it is not compatible with the Switch OLED model. What we like. This screen protector offers crystal clear visibility and excellent scratch resistance. If you're looking for reliable protection for your standard Nintendo Switch without compromising the viewing experience, this is a great choice. It ensures your screen stays pristine from everyday wear and tear. What people say. The screen has a very clear and sharp display. The build quality is excellent, feels very sturdy and premium. The refresh rate is incredibly smooth, making scrolling and gaming a joy. Number 4. Thinkbaby SPF 50+ Baby Sunscreen. Introducing our SPF 50+ Baby Sunscreen, perfect for your little one's delicate skin. It provides safe and natural mineral-based sun protection. This formula offers broad-spectrum protection, shielding against both UVA and UVB rays. Keep your baby safe from harmful sun exposure. Enjoy worry-free fun in the sun. It's water-resistant, ensuring protection even during playtime near water. Made with safe, natural ingredients, it's a sunscreen you can trust. Plus, it's proudly vegan and perfect for kids. Choose Thinkbaby for reliable sun protection. It's the natural choice for keeping your baby's skin healthy and protected all day long. What we like. This sunscreen provides natural, mineral-based sun protection that's gentle on sensitive skin. If you have babies or young children and need a safe, water-resistant option for extended outdoor play, this is ideal. It offers peace of mind with its broad-spectrum UVA-UVB coverage. What people say. The screen has a very clear and sharp display. The build quality feels premium and durable. It offers a wide range of connectivity options. Number 3. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle PRO for iPad Air 3 and Pro 10.5. Introducing the Unicorn Beetle PRO, the ultimate defense for your iPad. This heavy-duty case offers robust protection against impacts and shocks. Its full-body design ensures comprehensive coverage, safeguarding your device from every angle. Experience peace of mind with its rugged construction. Enjoy pristine screen clarity with the integrated screen protector. It shields against scratches without affecting touch sensitivity. A dual-layer system, combining a hard PC shell and flexible TPU, absorbs shocks from accidental drops. It's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Stay entertained on the go with the functional pop-out kickstand. Plus, port covers and dust ports keep unwanted debris out. Designed for a precise fit, it allows effortless access to all ports, sensors, and cameras. Use your device without any hindrance. What we like. This case offers robust, heavy-duty protection with a built-in screen protector and a convenient kickstand. If you need a rugged solution for your iPad Air 3 or iPad Pro 10.5 that can withstand drops and bumps, while also allowing for hands-free viewing, this is the one. It's perfect for active users or those who frequently watch media on their device. What people say. The screen is incredibly sharp and vibrant, making text easy to read and images pop. I love the slim profile and the minimalist design, it looks great on my desk. The refresh rate is super smooth, perfect for gaming and fast-paced video. Number 2. 3M Notebook Screen Cleaning Wipes, CL630. Keep your notebook screen pristine with these convenient cleaning wipes. They are designed for safe and easy cleaning of your electronic devices. These pre-moistened wipes quickly cut through grease, grime, and dirt. They leave no residue behind, ensuring a clear and clean surface. The soft, non-abrasive cloth gently cleans delicate electronic items. You don't have to worry about scratches or damage. Clean your devices without the danger of static discharge. These wipes offer a safe cleaning experience for all your electronics. They can be safely used on most surfaces of your electronic equipment. Enjoy peace of mind with every wipe. Each pack contains 24 individually wrapped wipes. This ensures they stay moist and ready for use whenever you need them. What we like. These wipes offer a convenient and safe way to clean your electronic devices without leaving streaks or residue. If you need quick, on-the-go cleaning for your laptop, phone, or tablet screens, these are perfect. They are gentle enough for delicate surfaces and ensure a clear view every time. What people say. The screen is incredibly sharp and vibrant, making text easy to read and images pop. The refresh rate is buttery smooth, perfect for gaming and fast-paced video content. The build quality feels premium, with a sturdy metal frame and a sleek, minimalist design. Number 1. Plow and Hearth 3-panel metal fireplace screen. Enhance your hearth with this beautifully crafted wrought iron fireplace screen. Its classic black finish complements any home decor, adding both style and safety. Featuring a sturdy, welded steel frame and a thick mesh shield, it effectively contains sparks and embers. This ensures your family, pets, and furniture are protected from stray flames. This decorative screen stands freely and sits flush against your fireplace for maximum protection. Adjustable feet allow for a customized, secure fit, and no assembly is required. Constructed from heavy-duty metal with a rust-resistant powder coat finish, it's built to last for years. Enjoy peace of mind with its sturdy design and reliable performance. Measuring 50 inches wide by 30 inches tall, this 3-panel screen offers ample coverage. Its thoughtful design ensures it fits securely against your fireplace, providing excellent safety. We stand behind our products with a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Founded over 40 years ago, we treat our customers like neighbors and friends. What we like. This fireplace screen provides a sturdy and stylish barrier to protect your living space from sparks and embers. If you have a fireplace and want to ensure safety and add a touch of elegance to your home, this is an excellent choice. Its freestanding, flat guard design offers maximum protection and complements any decor. What people say. The screen is incredibly sharp and vibrant, making text easy to read and images pop. Its slim profile and lightweight design make it very portable and easy to move around. The refresh rate is impressively smooth, providing a fluid experience for gaming and scrolling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.